Okay, iPhone users, let's talk about updating to iOS 18 using cellular data. Yes, you can absolutely do it, but there are a few things you need to know first. First off, iOS 18 is a hefty download, typically around 5 GB or more. So, if you're on a limited data plan, you might want to think twice before hitting that download button. You don't want any surprise overage charges, right? Now, here's how you do it. Go to your settings, Cellular. Once that's set, head over to Settings, General Software Update. If the update is available, you're good to go. But a quick word of caution, always back up your device before proceeding with the update. This is crucial to ensure that all your data is safe in case anything goes wrong. You can back up to iCloud or your computer, whichever works best for you. If you're on a limited data plan, I highly recommend connecting to Wi-Fi to avoid any extra charges. It's just a safer bet and often faster too. All right, that's it. Updating to iOS 18 is as simple as that, even on cellular data. Just make sure you're aware of the data consumption and always back up your device first. Happy updating! And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and